Hello students, how are you? I think you will be fine. Okay, today's topic is functions. So this topic I have taken from plus 2 class, that is types of functions, but in plus 1 class you have already done functions. So first of all, I will recapitulate or I will give you little introduction of function. So what is function? And then after that, I will take types of functions. So yes, what is function? So see here, definition of function. Let x and y be two non-empty sets. A function f defined from x to y is a rule or collection of rules which associate to each element of set X with a unique element of set Y. Clear? Or in another way, you can also say that F is a subset of X cross Y. The basic rule is this: collection rule or collection of rule. Rule may be a single or maybe more than one rule, which associate each element of X to unique element of set Y. So please keep it in mind. Each element of set X with associated with unique element. So this here, this set X is called the domain of F. In another way, you can also know that when F is a subset of X cross Y, so it means F is collection of ordered pair. So it means collection of first element, that is called the domain. But especially in case of function, because a relation is a special type of function, so it means here whole set X is called the domain of F. And set Y, whole set Y, is called the codomain of F. And the unique element Y of Y is called the value of F at X or image of X, that is Y equal to Fx. So you simply write function in this form that you already know. The element X of X is called pre-image of Y. Clear? If Y is image, then X is called the pre-image of. If you write Y equal to Fx, so it means X is pre-image of Y and Y is image of X. Set of all images under F called the range of F. Okay, students, you can see, you can understand it in a better way with the help of arrow diagram of a function. Arrow diagram of function. You can understand it in a better way. If F is a function from X to Y, that is like this. Let X set this, which contain elements A, B, C, D, and here is set Y, which contain element E, F, G, H, K. Now see, F is a rule. F is a rule which associate each element of set X to unique element of set Y. So see that rule. What is the rule? A is associated with E, B with F, and now C with K, and D with G. Means G is the image of D, K is the image of C, F is the image of B, and E is the image of A, and A is called pre-image. So now you can see each element of this set are associated with unique element. It means this one is called a function. If this one is a function, then what is the domain? Domain of this F is set X. Whole set X is called domain. That is A, B, C, D. Collection of these elements. This set is called domain. Codomain whole set Y. Clear? And now set of images. अब आप यहाँ से नोट कर सकते हैं H is not image of any element It means collection of images that is called range E, F, G, and K. You can see here E, F, G, and K. Okay, another arrow diagram of function. See here. This is for you people. See the rule. Here are two sets, X and Y. And now observe this rule. See this. A is associated with P, B with Q, C with R, B is with S, C with R, already I have told you. So D with T. Now see, observe, each is associated, but each is associated with unique. Can you say this? Yes, tell me. Observe that. What happened? Q, B is associated with Q as well as S. It means B has two images. If B has two images, Q and S, so therefore this one is not a function. Okay, another arrow diagram for you people to understand. See here, set X and set Y I have given, and see the rule. You will observe now. Yes. See, A is associated with P, B with Q, D with T. Yes, is it a function? Yes, think. Very good. You can say that this one is not a function because C has no image. So that is why this one is not a function. Okay. So now this whole you know about the function. Now come to the point, types of function, which is especially in +2 class. Clear? Types of function. So there are different types of function. You can see here, I have written onto function. Another name is surjective, into function, and then one function. That is also called injective function, many-one function, and then one correspondence, that is bisective function. So it means here you can see that I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main type, but especially in +2, you will give main stress on onto function and then one function, or last one, that is one correspondence, that is bisective function. Okay, so let us discuss one by one this onto function. So what is onto function? Another name is surjective function. Surjective. So let us see the definition of onto function. If f is a function from x to y, this one is said to be onto if and only if every element in y is an image of at least one element in x. Now you can see the condition in a reverse way, that if and only if every element of set y, यहाँ wording आ रही है y पे, every element of y is an image of at least one element in x. That is, कम से कम एक element की image होनी चाहिए. तो in another way, when you do the question, you will start like this: let y belongs to y if there exists x belongs to x such that f of x equal to y. So now here you can see this again with the help of arrow diagram. I have given you two functions, two sets, that is first set x 1, 2, 3, 4 and set y 2, 3, 4. F is a rule. Observe this rule like this. 1 is associated with 2, 2 with 4, and now 3 with 3, and another 4 is associated with 2. So first of all, always check whether this one is a function. Yes, this one is a function. Because each element of set X associated with unique element of set Y. So, secondly, now you will observe that take element from codomain 2. Yes, 2, 2 is the image of 1 as well as 4. Means 2 as a pre-image, 3 as also pre-image, 4 as a pre-image. It means every element of this set Y has pre-image. So this function is a onto function. In another way, you can also say range of function is equal to codomain. If range of function equal to codomain of function, then this function is called onto function. Next, into function. So what do you mean by into function? Here, if a function is not onto function, then it is a into function. Simple reason. If you observe that function is not onto, then you can say that this function is called into function. Let us see with the help of arrow diagram. Again, see set X, set Y, and now rule. What is the rule? F is a rule. You can see with the help of this arrow diagram. Yes, 4 is associated with 2. Now you can observe each is associated with unique. It means this one is a function. Yes, further observe that 5 has no pre-image. It means this function is not onto. If this function is not onto, then you can simply say that this function is into function. Clearly, I have written here because 5 has no pre-image. That is why this function is called into function. Next one now. So we have discussed two functions, onto as well as into. Now come to the third type, that is one function. Another way, another name is injective function. Another name is injective function. So you can see what is the injective function. If f is a function from x to y is said to be 1, if and only if different element of x have different image in y. Means different element of x has different image in y. That is, if you take any two elements from set x, that is from the domain of the function, such that f of a equal to f of b, and this implies a equal to b, it means that function is called 1 function. तो बोलने का मतलब ये अगर आप टू एलिमेंट लेते हैं और सपोज करते हैं कि उनकी इमेजेस इक्वल है, तो ये क्लियर होना चाहिए, ये इमेजेस तभी इक्वल होनी चाहिए व्हेन a इक्वल टू b, अगर a b के इक्वल हो. और इसका कॉन्ट्रापोजिटिव भी आप कह सकते हैं. कॉन्ट्रापोजिटिव मीन्स इफ you take two elements such that a not equal to b and prove that f of a not equal to f of b, that is called the contrapositive. You know the contrapositive of statement if p then q. Contrapositive implies if negation q then negation p. It means you can say if a not equal to b, then f of a not equal to f of b. Another definition of this 1 function. So observe different element of if you take different element from the domain, their images should be different. So now observe, I have taken 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each has different image. It means yes, this function is called 1 function. Okay, now come to the many one function. After 1, many one function. Simple way again, if function is not 1 function. See here, if function is not 1 function, then it is called many one function. So simple, first one onto, that is if not onto, then that is called into. Then third one is 1. If function is not 1, then that is called a many one function. Okay, let us observe again with the help of arrow diagram. Here, two sets x and y, and f is a rule. Observe this rule. Yes. See, one associated with Yes, you can observe this rule. 1 is associated with 5, 2 with 3, 3 with 4, and 4 with 3. What happened? Yes, observe. 2 and 4 has same image, that is 3. Both 2 or 4 are associated with 3. It means many 1, because this one is not a 1 1. अगर 1 1 नहीं है, तो it means your function is many 1. Okay, the next is 1 1 correspondence, or you can say bijective 1 1 correspondence or bijective function. So now observe what is bijective function. As the name indicate, bi means two way. One is 1 1 and another one is on 2. If function is 1 1 as well as on 2, then that function is called 1 1 correspondence, or you can say bijective function, if both 1 1 as well as on 2. Let us see the example again with the help of arrow diagram. You can understand in a better way. So you will observe now two things. See, this one is 1 1 mapping. Yes, totally 1 1 function, because each, first of all, also observe that is it a function? Yes, it is a function because each has image, and you can say different element has different images. It means this one is 1 1. And secondly, you will check each element has pre-image. Each element, 2 has pre-image, 3 has pre-image, 4 has 5 has pre-image. It means this one is on 2. Therefore, this function is called bisect. Okay, some different types of example, some examples of different types of function. So you will observe now. Clear? And you will tell me the answers. See here, f is a function from x to y I have written. So first of all, observe, is it a function? Yes, tell me. Good, think. So yes, you can say this one is a function because 1 has image, 2 has image, 3 has image, 4 has image, and unique images. 5 has image. All element has image, means each has unique image. So it means this one is a function. Now, which type of function is this? Can you say this function is, yes, many 1, 1 1, on 2? Think. This function is, this one is a function. Here you can say each has unique image, but if you think of onto, this one is not onto because 6 has no pre-image. But this one is a function, and can you say this function is 1 1? No, because 1 and 3 has same image. This can be called as many 1 function. Okay, see the another example. Yes. Yes, think. F is a function from x to y. 2 is associated with 3. 4 is associated with 7. 6 is associated with 5. 8 is associated with 7. So, which type of function is this? You can say many 1. Yes, this one is a many 1. But another name, is it a onto or not? Because every element of y has pre-image. So yes, this one is a onto as well as many 1. Clear? I think concept is clear. Next. Okay. Think. Be quick now. Here, 1 has image, 2 has image, 3 has image, 4 has, each has images. It means this one is a function. But which type of function? Because 8 has no pre-image. It means, yes, this one is not onto, not want to. फिर Which function is this? 1, 1? Yes, this function is 1, 1 function because different element have different images. Okay, next one. Be quick. See in this. Each has unique images and different images. You can say each element has pre-images. It means 1, 1 as well as onto. So you can say 1, 1 onto means bijective function. Okay, thank you very much. So that's all about. I think you can simplify, you can do the exercise accordingly, clear, and you can revise your concept with the help of this presentation. So thank you very much.